This is a video of one of these propane casting melting furnaces. So you hook up a propane tank to it and you can melt things like copper and aluminum and other metals. It has a crucible on the inside. The inside has all this insulation and a fire brick and this insulation wool on the outside to keep things nice and hot and to protect the metal. The propane nozzle attaches here. You hook a propane tank to it. There's an air inlet adjustment on the back of this particular one. And there's similar models you can find to this. For this demonstration, I'm just melting some copper. So this is copper wire. We heat up the furnace and drop it in. Took about, for this melt, to get this crucible about a third of the way full, took about 15 minutes to get all this melted. I'm at about almost 5,000 feet elevation, and so it took a while to get all this melted. But it does work well for melting copper just with this single propane. So I just grab the crucible, and I'm pouring this into this like a corn cob. I think this is for like cornbread, cast iron mold. So I'm just pouring it into these, and yeah, it worked out really well. I didn't put any borax or anything in. This is just pure copper being melted, and it was fairly clean copper. But this just shows kind of an example of what this furnace can do, and I was kind of impressed with it. And again, there's lots of furnaces like this. This is not a sponsored video. I just bought this exact furnace, but lots of them operate the same way. You can even make your own furnaces. And then once the copper was poured, I just cleaned it up a little bit with this wire wheel. So here's the finished product. Really cool furnace. Thanks for watching.